Everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video, we will learn about word wrap text tutorial in Microsoft Excel. Let's understand first, what does word wrap do? Wrap text is a feature that shows all information in a cell, even if it overflows the cell boundary. So this is the feature of word wrap. Let me show you with an example. Let me write something in a cell. Here you can see I have written something in a cell, one sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. But you can see here, this sentence is overflows the cell boundary. So it is getting over the cell. So there are two options through which you can perform word wrap. We start with the first one. Just click on the cell, then do right click. You can see there is an option permit cell. Then we'll go to alignment. You can see a dialog box opened, permit cell, and there is an option alignment. Here you can see there are text control things, word wrap text, shrink to fit, merge cells. So what we can do, just click on shrink to fit. Now see what happens. So you can see it has covered the entire sentence in a single cell. Earlier the sentence was overflowing the cell boundary. Now you can see the entire sentence is in a single cell. Let me show you the different way how you can perform this. Simply click on this cell, and now you can see over here there is an option wrap text. So just click over that wrap text. You can see all the sentence has come in a single cell. Print the cell size so that you can read it properly. And so you can see this is very easy. Just click to the cell and click on wrap text. It will make it to a single cell. If you are not able to read it properly, then you can simply extend the cell size. Now you can see this has come in a single cell. Alright, if you click this again, then it will come back to the previous format. You must be thinking that this is a manual process. So how and what we can do so that we do not need to go to wrap text and do manually. It should be in a simple way. Whenever you write, that should be in a single cell. So how we can perform that? To perform that, just need to firstly, what you have to do, first click the cell where you want to apply wrap and just click over the wrap. Now let me write something here. So you can see it has come in a single line. So you can see I have wrapped this cell. So whatever I write in this cell, it will be in a single cell only. Whenever you have to perform wrap text, or you're performing, or before writing anything, just click the wrap text first and start writing like this. I have clicked this cell, my cursor in this cell. So if I write anything here, how are you, then this will be in a single cell. See, right? We make it bold so that you can understand it. So what we have learned today, three different ways how we can perform wrap text. First way I shown you with the help of right click by going to permit cell. There is an option alignment. You can use shrink to fit. It is already wrapped, that is why it is showing in a wrap text format. In that it is a tick mark in our wrap text. And one more step I told you, to directly click on wrap text. See, if you click again, then it will go back to the previous format. And the third one, it was interesting. The third one was before writing anything, if you want your sentence to be in a single cell, simply first click on wrap text, and if you are in this cell, then this cell is wrapped. And now if you write anything, it will be in this cell only. Let me write digi spring. See, this is in a single cell. So this is how you can perform wrap text in Excel. This is very useful feature of Excel. This is all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, you learned something. And if you think this video was worth watching, do give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you soon with a new video next week. Have a good day. Happy weekend. Thank you so much for watching.